That'll be tough.
Okay, now this good boy. Yes.
Okay. Now flank around the opposite direction. Right there, walk up. Right there, whoa, 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 a little too close, a little too close. Okay, remember, you don't want to get in a position where the dog can swing out like this, because that's how you end up getting sheep splattered. So just shorten up, as they're coming around there, just try and shorten up on your cord without jerking on them, okay? And around.
Okay.
Yeah, and around and around. What dog is this? Who put a new dog in my car? And walk, and walk, and walk, and walk, and walk, and walk, and walk. Stop. And around. And walk. Right there. And around. And walk. Good. And around. To the wall. And walk. Good. Good. And stop. And call them off. That'll do.
That'll do. That'll do. So stop. Sister.
Okay, so again, remember the first stage is we have to want to play the game.
Yeah.
You have to like the game. So that's what this piece is.
So you like some heavy?
I don't know if it's that or if it's the size of the field. I really think last week when he kept watching his sheep run away and he kept getting stopped, I think that's what it was. In here, he's staying in the bubble. He's staying attached to the bubble. I think that's what he needs. I think he needs something, either space or sheep, that he can stay in contact with. He needs kind of that electricity to constantly zapping him.
Yeah. I didn't expect that.
Honestly,
I never expect what, like, every time I take him out of the kennel, it's like I got a total, like, it's like you went to the dry cleaner, you just pulled off a clothing off the rack, and that's whatever he is coming up. He's just like, it's like, whoa, come on.
All right, a little more. Put it back to work. See, we're not going to just let him chase sheep willy-nilly.
Yeah,
around.
And I don't want to.
That's it. And walk. That's it. Stop. Once you're in the corner, you've got to quit pushing. And around. And walk. Walk. There you are. That's it. Right there. Again, good. Remember, as soon as you hit that pivot point, you've got to do not let the sheep run away.
Yeah. Okay,
you can't hold him back. That transition point from flank to walk is where you lost him. You've got to be able to turn around and walk away. Don't say a word, just turn around and walk away. Good. Now right there, you're going to flank around. And walk. Good. Shorten up your cord. That's it. That was nice. You shortened it up, you didn't harass the stock, and you kept him from doing. That was good. Around to the left. Hold. Stop. Look. Gently stop your dog.